Carlos already reorganized everything. All the Bali containers or the glass jars were in behind the bottom shelf. We already reorganized. We put all the kitchen aids in this area. The Tefal fryer in the corner. Put all the where you drink the coffee, your water, things like that, right? In this cabinet, Carlos is washing the plastic container. I'm putting some plastic container so she will know what is inside. That's what I want to do it with a plastic. She bought a lot of beans, quinoa, and what else? What is this? Organic lentil. So all the dried beans and things like that are gonna be in this corner. She already have plenty of rice. So I will separate the pasta, the spaghettis are in this corner. The rice is gonna be there, but we have a lot of rice because she bought for in case that they need to do a quarantine. So I'm putting in the plastic container the organic jasmine white rice or the instant brown rice. And we are still in the process. Okay, now we are separating that she bought more tuna. How I'm separating? By the expiration date. This tuna expired in 2020. So the things that she will use right away are gonna be here. It's already tuna in this area. But I'm gonna put everything for their emergency in this place. Okay, there are some shakes that are expired like this. It's in January. So all these cans are expired. Some of them are from 2018. Let's see. This is March 19 throughout this. November 19. And we already throw out the shakes that are already expired in this trash bag. It takes some time to organize. Not only organize, you need to see the expiration date, and you have to put it the last date on the back, and then the ones that they need to use it right away right here in front. So we start organizing. So far so good. This is, I have to move this down. Brown rice. Okay, so far spaghettis, rice that they need to consume because we have more rice in these Tupperwares. So soup, marinara sauce, dressing, everything about organic powder to make cakes, chocolate, pudding, things like that. We are finished to reaccommodate, reorganize, and make some space in the pantry and also in some kitchen drawers. I don't know if we are gonna be in quarantine or not, but I throw out all the cans that were expired, soups, things like that. Right now I put in order and the products of the shakes that the childs drink a lot. Pasta, rice, soup, bread, breakfast, Cheerios or cereal. On top, everything that is for quarantine, snacks, how you call that, almonds, peanuts, things like that. Plates, spoon, plastic, silverware, drinks, shakes, seasoning, tuna, bakery things. Eat all the boxes from water and drinks. Juan Carlos right now is cleaning the kitchen and we almost done. I'm gonna go to do a project. Let's go. And you can call us at 407-572-4118. Thank you.